brother. I lived, but I had to move out of the house because HUD decided they weren't going to pay the landlord anymore until he fixed the house up and brought it up to standards. So I messed around and moved in with my brother has dementia and he has diabetes. It worries him that he has diabetes because some of our friends have lost their toes or lost limbs or whatever. He talks to me about it all the time, so I know it's worrying him. And it's driving him crazy. That, you know, I know for a fact he either has dementia or Alzheimer's. Because he's very...
Hasn't been diagnosed or anything, though?
Yeah, that's another thing. He's seen a doctor about his diabetes, but he won't go see a doctor about his dementia or Alzheimer's because he's in denial that he even has it.
What happened today?
He choked me and punched me 3 times. I was sleeping over there in my car. He comes around the corner and he said something to me about some girl named Brenda. Said, Brenda told me this, you said this, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, what the f*** am I, man? I ain't saying that. All of a sudden he choked me, just grabbed me and choked me. And as he was choking, I'm looking at him like he's crazy. He let me go. And he let me go and he said some other shit and he came back up to me again and he punched me 3 times right beside my head. And he turned around, he walked around the corner and went in his house.
When did this happen?
Just now. Did when?
Yeah, when?
Just now, about 30 minutes ago.
Okay, and then you moved the car from there to here?
Yeah, I told the lady I was moving here because I wanted to see if he left. You know, I was going to, if he left.
All right, you want to press charges for battery?
Yes, sir.
Do you think he's of his right mind to make all these decisions and stuff like that, right?
Say that again.
He's of his right mind, he knows what he's doing.
Oh, yeah, he knows what he's doing.
You just think he's very forgetful, and you think he's on the onset of Alzheimer's or dementia?
He has either Alzheimer's or dementia. My mother had it.
Yeah.
He's the only one of my siblings that has it.
Okay, and you're not thinking that this had anything to do with him beating you up, that condition, right? In your opinion, he knew what he was doing.
He knew what he was doing. He can some girl named Brenda said something to him. Some girl named Brenda said something to him.
Brenda, some unknown girl, Brenda, told him that you said what?
I know the Brenda. I know who he's talking about.
Okay. And then what did Brenda accuse you of saying?
Brenda, he was talking so fast, it didn't make sense to me. That's why I said, talking about me. Yeah. He said, Brenda told me what the said and blah, 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 blah. He just talking so fast. I'm like, talking about me. I said, Brenda.
What's your name, sir?
Trevor. Treyvor. My brother has a record a mile long. He's very violent. The first time my brother went to jail.
What's your birthday?
1959. First time my brother went to jail. You know what he went to jail for? Shooting at a police officer at 16 years old. He put a syringe full of heroin in his arm. We walked outside. 5 minutes later, he shot at a cop. He's violent as excuse my language.
No worries. In apartment 4?
1.
Apartment 1.
You see that white Toyota pickup?
What's your brother's name?
Daryl.
Okay. He's pretty thin now, right?
Yeah.
Huh? He's pretty thin now, right?
Yeah, he's 65 years old. He has diabetes. Yeah. He's lost all his weight.
Okay.
Yeah. His skin is sagging on him and everything. He's the muscle bound guy he used to be.
Yeah.
Daryl was lifting 500 pounds at 17 years old. He used to work out with a guy named Johnny Thomas, was a karate expert, had a black belt in karate. He used to teach all the kids about bodybuilding and stuff. Over here across the track over here, all the kids used to be over at Johnny's house lifting weights. There was a handful of guys that could bench 500 pounds. They were all like 17, 16, 17 years old. Johnny had to work it out so hard.
What's your phone number, sir?
Does your brother have any weapons or anything in the house?
Not that I know of. Like he had a gun. He had a gun a long time ago. I don't know if he still has that gun.
Like what type of gun?
A 22 pistol, like a 22 or something.
Okay.
Might have been
no rifles, shotguns, anything like that you know of?
No rifles or nothing like that.
All right. Any marks, bruising, or anything like that?
No, he grabbed me and choked me. I'm telling you, he grabbed me and choked me around my neck. So he said, said some shit to me, choking me. And then he turned around and walked away. He said something.
Did it impede your breathing?
Sir?
Did it impede your ability to breathe, right?
Yeah.
All right. Let's take some pictures of you if that's okay. Show me, can I look at your neck? Side of the head right here too?
Yeah, that's what he punched on the side of my head.
Anywhere else you think you can think of maybe?
No, not. He was on this door.
Yeah.
Only on the side of my face.
Okay. All right, well, we're going to go make contact with him, all right? And talk to him and whatnot. So I'll be back later. Would you be willing to fill out a statement?
Yeah, I want him arrested, man.
All righty.
Is that his truck? That Toyota?
And nobody saw this, right? What you're saying? Okay. Put a video out here.
Huh?
I don't see any video.
No, I looked.
You say something?
Other thing.
Hey Daryl, my name's Oscar. Can I talk to you?
Yeah.
Your brother said you two were fighting.
Everybody fighting him. You see how you got one there. You see any scars or anything about him, you'll see it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you tell me what happened today?
No, ain't nothing happened. Me and him just had an argument.
Okay. About what?
Some personal stuff.
Alright, can you tell me about it?
No, I don't want to tell him about it. It's personal. Family stuff.
Alright, well maybe you don't have to get into details of the argument. Can you tell me what happened during the argument?
We had an argument. When people argue, what they do? They curse at each other, and I threw him out my house. I told you about that?
No, he did not.
Yeah, I threw him out my house.
Okay.
And then this morning, I told myself, you know, if I catch you back messing around with anything that belongs to me, I'm gonna do something to you. But I ain't do nothing to him. That's my brother, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Did you punch him or slap him or choke
No,
him?
I ain't do none of that.
Do you mind if I take a look at your knuckles?
Yeah, look at my knuckles.
Okay.
Well, check this guy. He drug at it, man. That's why I threw him out.
So why do you think he said that you attacked him?
I did not attack him. I should have attacked him.
And is that because of whatever the issue is? I assume that's why you're so upset, right? He tells me a mutual friend called you, told you some information. Apparently she heard from him, and then you confronted him about that.
That's right. That's what I did. That's all I did. I confronted him about it. I told him if he tries some shit like that again, something's gonna happen to him.
Yeah. All right. Where did this all take place at? Inside the apartment? Outside?
No, right there, standing right next to his truck.
Yeah.
Yeah. You see any scars or anything on him?
No, I don't
that's
think.
right.
I mean, I don't think I would be looking for scars, to be honest with you. I'd look for injuries or something like that.
No injury ain't gonna be no injury. That's my brother. I protect him before I put my hands on him. I better protect him my whole life.
Yeah, but why would it get you so upset that where you're saying, you should have done something, type thing? And I can only assume that you're alluding to, kicking his butt or something, right?
No, I am not gonna kick his butt. If I'll kick his butt, you'll see I kick his butt. You will see some evidence of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Alrighty. Anybody else out there?
What?
Out there while you guys were talking?
No.
Alright. He still lives here, I take it?
No, I told he's gonna get that apartment next door.
He is?
Yeah.
Alright. I guess he's living out of his car then?
Yeah, he's living out of his car.
Okay. How long has he been living out of his car?
About a week or 2.
2 weeks, but he just hangs out here?
That's what, he ain't got nowhere else to go.
Yeah? Alright. Yeah, your brother's pretty upset about it. I don't know what you could have said that made him want to make something like that up. You know what I mean? Can you spell your first name?
Darryl. D-A-R-R-Y-L.
Y-L. Middle name? Birthday.
So,
Now, I feel like I'm being a dead horse, but you sure you didn't do anything or say anything which would have made him fear that you were going to hurt him?
We had a few words, man. We had a few words. No, I ain't put my hands on him. I ain't gonna put my hands on him, like I said. I'm my little brother. I'm gonna protect him.
Have you guys ever had a physical fight over stuff like this before?
Yeah, when we were kids.
Yeah. How long has he been missing his leg?
5 years.
About a year?
5 years.
Oh, 5 years. Okay. What time did this happen this morning?
It's been about 30 minutes ago.
All right, 30 minutes.
Less an hour at the most.
Couldn't hear that.
An hour at the most.
I got you. Your friend, what was her name?
Brenda.
Brenda?
Yeah.
Obviously, she wasn't here. Nobody was on the phone with you when you went out there to confront him, right? Brenda, you weren't talking to Brenda.
No.
Okay. All right. You want to hang out here with Officer Hughes real quick? I need to go talk to your brother. Okay.
Hey, Melissa. I can't talk to you right now. My damn brother's going crazy. He just choked me and punched me 3 times. I'm talking to a police officer right now. I'll call you back after this is over, okay? All right. Bye-bye.
Hey, so this happened between like a half hour, an hour ago is what he's saying, right?
Yes, I just told you that happened about 30 minutes ago.
Okay. May I ask what the little delay is for reporting this? You know,
What do you mean
what
delay?
transpired between...
I called right after he walked around the corner. I called 911.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's like 911. You called 911. Why do you think it took me 30 minutes to get the call?
That's got to be between you and the lady who answered the phone, sir. I called immediately.
Okay. Well,
I didn't sit here for 30 minutes and then decide to call 911. I called right after he turned that damn corner. I called.
Yeah. All right. No problem. Has he ever done this to you before?
He's never put his hands on me before.
Not?
No.
All right. I got you. I mean, he's saying everything that you're saying, except he said he didn't touch you.
He was a lie. He was a damn lie. I'm telling you, man. The man choked me and punched me 3 times.
No problem. Can you show me exactly where he grabbed and exactly where he punched,
He grabbed
please?
me around my throat. Man was choking me.
Yeah. Can you tell me how he was doing that?
He was standing here.
Yep.
He went around that corner.
Yep.
He reached in my car and was choking me like this.
See, okay. So were you
On the
laying
side,
down,
his
I guess,
thumbs,
back there?
His thumbs were on the side of my neck. I wasn't laying
Yes, sir.
down. I was sitting up in the
Yeah, show
car.
me exactly where the thumbs are supposed to be at.
Right here. Right on the side of my neck. Right here.
Okay. Can I see the other side, too? I guess, did he say anything before he started doing that? Like,
I'm
get your
tell-
attention? Or?
I was telling you, he was talking about some girl named Brenda said some that I didn't say. And me, in the middle of me trying to tell him, I didn't say her.
Yeah.
He just grabbed me and started f***ing. He's going crazy, I'm telling you. Mitchell's got that boy going crazy.
Okay.
That's why he's thrown me out of there. I've lived with him for like 6 or 7 months. He's
Yeah.
thrown me out of the
He said
house.
he threw you out a week ago, right?
He's thrown me out 4 times in 6 months.
4 times? Here, hold still. I'm trying to compare your one side of your face to the other.
Crazy. Every time I
Now
have
look,
rent money.
this is important, sir. Do me a favor.
Yeah.
I'm not saying I don't believe you. Do me a favor. Just with like your index finger, just touch your point on your face where you feel the pain at or where he punched you. Right there?
Punched me 3
Here,
times.
just right here. Just with your
He
finger.
punched me here.
Yep.
He punched me here.
Yeah.
He punched me here.
Okay. I got you. Do you feel any pain in those areas right now? I'm trying to see if one side's more swollen than the other. Kind of help determine.
I feel pain, but it's not extreme or nothing.
No.
And
I know that. You're not bleeding.
He
I get
wasn't
that.
swinging to try to knock me out.
He wasn't? Okay.
No, he wasn't swinging that hard, but yeah, he swung hard enough.
All right, can you look just straight on for me? I mean, I guess your one cheek does look a little poofy, to be honest with you.
Okay.
More so than the other.
This side?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
Trying to tell you, he punched me, man. I gotta sit here and lie. What not my brother? My brother ain't that. So I love my brother, but I'm telling you, he's going crazy.
Yeah. Well, and then, again, just with one finger on your neck where you felt him squeezing the most. All right, now go ahead, pull away. I mean, I guess there's something right there. Looks like you got something. I mean, a slight discoloration. You have darker skin, so it's just going to take a minute, but it does look like there's something there.
Yeah, I'm trying to tell you, he had his thumbs like.
Yeah, go ahead, just your neck, just like it is, and relax. It's really hard to distinguish, but it's a slightly darker area. All right, and then can I get to the other side of your head? You just like normal head posture. It's fine for me. Just stay right there. I'm gonna get another side, okay? And just kind of take it. It's not much, but it's. You know, it doesn't look like a difference to me. You don't want an ambulance or anything like that, right?
You know, I'm not in.
Yeah, a little bit. It's really hard to tell if there's anything there. You might have to put a glove on and see if I can feel any bruising, like swelling.
Okay.
Do you feel any swelling?
I don't feel swelling. I feel pain, a little pain from where he punched me.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, if you don't mind.
Well, I
I
don't
can feel like a small knot or something. Yeah. If you're okay with it.
fine.
How long have you been handicapped like that?
About 4 years.
4 years? Is it right here?
Yeah, well, right here. Ain't no knot on my head. I already felt my head.
Yeah. And then here? I'm just going to use my flashlight. I know it seems kind of horribly redundant.
You want me to get in the shade? Or?
Yeah, come over here in the shade. The sun's like blinding out on the thing. I don't want to force you to walk when you don't have to. It just looks like there's a little red mark on the side of your head.
I tell you,
Tiny,
touch me,
tiny,
man.
tiny little like red blotch, you know? Yeah, it looks kind of fresh.
Just did that, man. I'm telling you.
Alrighty. Alright, why don't you just go have a seat in your car and relax. I'll be right back. I appreciate your patience. Can you do me a favor? Can you put your hands behind your back for me, sir?
Let me lock my house up, please.
Yeah,
Beg your pardon?
we'll help you out.
Yeah, we're not going to leave here.
Yeah, we're not going to leave it unsecured.
Let me put my coat on, man, please. I'm a diabetic. Let me put my coat on.
Yeah, we can get you a coat. We can drape it over you, no problem.
Okay,
Which
yeah.
coat? Which coat do you want?
It's a red coat in there.
Is it the one right there on the table? I'll get it for you, man.
Yeah, please.
Let me adjust these cuffs. They twisted.
Oh,
Let me adjust the
this
cuffs.
man will put me in jail.
Listen, I hate to say it and break it to you, but he does have a couple of marks to substantiate his claims. Okay?
Where is it?
Where's what?
The marks.
Right where you said you punched him.
Where I punched him.
Oh, in the head.
He's lying, man. He's lying.
Let me adjust this for you, okay? I want to make sure I got these correct. All right, I think
Lord,
they're
have
okay.
mercy.
This is the one you're talking about, right? The Buccaneer
Yeah.
sweatshirt?
Yeah.
I'm
No.
trying to get it to where I can
Now,
slip it over you.
let me get my house key, please.
Where is it? I'll get it. Where's it?
Okay, they're in the room.
In your bedroom?
Yeah.
Any property on you?
No, I ain't got nothing
like
on me.
that?
No.
I don't suppose you.
You want me to turn the TV off?
Please.
Where are your house keys
Right on
at?
the table. The house keys are on my they're hanging up behind the door in my bedroom.
Okay.
One bedroom.
And we can go in there and grab them, right? Thanks.
There you go.
How's that? He's gonna get your keys, take care of all that stuff. We're gonna walk out to the car. Okay? I'm out on the road. We dispatched 10:15 buck now. First car. Over here. Now hold on to you, okay? So you pick the best way to get in here.
Let me get it. Let me get it.
Just don't want you to fall over.
I
Okay?
know, Paul.
Alright.
This your phone?
You lock the top lock.
Well, I'm gonna go do that. I just want to make sure. Is this your
Yeah.
phone? Do you want your phone? Or do you want me to put it back in your house and leave it in there?
I'll take it.
Take it with you. Okay. Which key's your house key? I'll go lock your door back up.
Let me see
That, the
one.
one, well, I guess the one that says Mikasa on it.
No, let me see the bottom one. That one right there, the silver one.
This one?
Yes.
Okay.
The top deadbolt.
That's the deadbolt lock.
Just the deadbolt.
I'll get it.
Thank you, man.
You got it. Hey, how you doing? Here's his phone. He said he wanted it. I'm gonna go lock his house up. I'll bring the keys right back.
You want me to go do this, or do you mind at all?
No, I can get it. I'll do it for you. Just if you finish filling that out and just give me that stuff, because I actually was going to ask you for a blue pamphlet anyway, because I gave my last two out at the Renaissance Manor Hall.
That'll be in here.
Just give me the paper. You can keep your clipboard. Just give me the paper.
You sure?
Yeah, I got a little clipboard. I don't need to take all your stuff.
Just a question.
I do
stuff
need
like
to-
that, and I'll give you.
Yeah. Where do you get this?
Huh?
Where do you get this?
You know the report writing area? They had a
Yeah.
stack of them.
Where?
The little shelving, it's only 3 shelves each, real small, some random papers.
Yeah.
They had 5 or 6 of those or something like that. And I would check the sergeant's office if it's not there. But
Okay.
I still want to snatch it up. So if you just want to ask a couple questions, marginal stuff, you know what I mean? Like, if you want contact spark, you just,
Yeah.
I'll call you or something, and so
Okay.
I can check whatever boxes. And you needed, hang on, you needed your stuff. Pamphlets, right?
Pamphlets?
Yeah, you said you wanted a pamphlet.
Well, no, I was just going to ask you one for this. I'll grab more at the office. Don't worry about that.
Just in case.
Okay.
Well, 2 will hold you.
All right. Thanks. No, I got some in here. It's all good. A sick sounding rooster. Jesus.
Well, look, since we've got about a week or so, and it seems between the two, it sounds like bird bat almost. You think Devane would be looking for that? Or you think
Bird
just,
bat?
He reached inside the car and choked him.
Oh, he did that inside the car?
That's
Here,
what he
you
was-
just want to put your name and I do
Yeah, that's what he was saying.
And case number 1315. Oh, I mean-
I'm thinking just a domestic strangulation. Since he said he choked him and impeded his breathing, and then, like, I guess his intent was to enter the vehicle and hurt him. You know, and they were having an argument.
Well, but then herein lies the question, like, does he go in that vehicle?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, is he normally allowed inside that vehicle? Huh. No, I still have this in my car. I still have never gone to get this battery changed on this watch. It's still sitting in here.
Man, what is it? G-Shock?
Old reactor.
Oh, that's good.
It's a cool little watch. The battery's been dead on it, and I keep forgetting that I have it in here.
Batteries plus I'll hook it up.
Well, I was going to take it over to Coffrin Jewelers because they used to be a dealer for them. They don't open, they open up at like 10, 11 or something weird. Where's my throw down?
Yeah, I was just going to do the domestic strangulation
Okay.
type thing and whatnot. So.
All right. I'll
Sounds
do this
reasonable, right?
and yeah, I mean I would say so, yeah. You got it, man. Hey, Mr. Clyburn. Alrighty, so your brother's been arrested, okay? He's on his way to the jail right now as we speak. So the other officer left with him. He gave me this. I know you said you'd be willing to fill out a written statement.
Yes, sir.
So basically what we need from you here is your name, date of birth, address. I know he gave it to you, but we got to have it up here at the top of the form.
Yes, sir.
And then below that, just write down what happened for me, okay?
If you guys get him to talk to a psychiatrist, did you notice while you guys were talking to him, he'll talk and all of a sudden he'll stop talking because he can't think to finish his sentence?
Yeah, a little bit. A little bit, yeah. And is it normal for him to not make eye contact, not look at you while you're talking to him? Is that pretty normal? Or do you think that was just because of us?
Oh, that's pretty normal.
Okay.
'Cause he's
So like he'll talk to you like this?
Yeah.
Like
yeah,
and
yeah,
talk
yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's my brother. Yeah, you know what?
Well, I guess I didn't know if that was him, like that's how he always is, or if he just like because we're there and he wasn't comfortable, he didn't want to talk to us or whatever.
But
But
your police officers.
yeah, which I mean I get it, I get it.
Man, my brother.
Especially if you said he's got a long criminal history. I mean, I understand he probably wouldn't be too happy talking to us.
I think 54 arrests.
54. Yeah.
Oh, boy. I've been living with him, so should I put this address as my place of residence, or should I put what's on my driver's license?
Wherever we can contact you at, the best place for us to contact
Yeah,
you at.
because my niece is the landlord's assistant.
Yeah.
And she just got the people to let me move in apartment 3.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine then. And as long as your phone number's good, that way if for whatever reason we need to contact you and the address is bad, at least we got a way to contact you over the phone. How you doing?
Nigga walked right here, Bruce, talking. I said, Daryl walked around the corner. I was sleeping in the car. Daryl come around the corner and choked me and hit me upside my head 3 times, talking about some shit Brenda said. You know Bunny with that gold car?
I don't know nothing, but
I'm just telling you.
I'm out of it.
I told you it was going crazy.
I ain't got nothing to do with
I
it.
know you ain't.
You ain't got no business sleeping out there. What they doing to you?
He's just writing a state. He's just writing a statement out for me.
Huh?
He's just writing a statement out for me. He's good.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's all.
He's been living with his brother.
Yeah.
They having a problem and he's just going through things.
No, I hear you. I know you don't want to get involved, but did you hear them yelling or arguing or anything over here about 30 minutes ago or so?
No, I ain't hear nothing for real though. I ain't hear nothing. I've been in that sleep.
Okay.
But they always argue.
Yeah.
It's all right.
Yeah.
He don't want him over here. He don't have nowhere to go. I guess he's moving in that apartment.
That's what he said. Yeah.
His auntie, his niece is the manager of this place. So he cool.
Yeah.
He just having a problem with somewhere to live right now.
Right.
So
Right.
he got to say he was staying with him.
And that's obviously not working out too
Right.
well. Yeah.
So now, I guess he been staying back there. I mean, sleeping in his car one night or 2 nights. He all right. He
Yeah.
ain't
No.
doing
No.
nothing
He's.
wrong.
Yeah. No. We're not.
He just ain't got. He handicapped.
Yeah.
He ain't got nowhere to go.
Yeah. No. We're not worried. I'm not worried about
He
that.
ain't doing
Like.
nothing.
Well, we were just worried about because he called and said his brother jumped on him. So
probably did.
we're worried about that. You know what I mean? I'm not worried about him
Did you go in
sleeping.
Did you go in his house?
Yeah.
His brother all right?
His brother's going to jail
Oh, yeah? For
Yeah.
what?
for domestic battery.
What?
Yeah.
What is that?
For putting his hands on him and their brothers.
That shit ain't even called for, man.
Yeah.
So now he got to go to jail.
So now he's got to go to jail.
Where's his brother at?
And he just pulled up to the jail.
So they took him to jail.
Yeah, the other officer that was out here took him to jail. Yep.
God damn it, man.
Yeah, when it comes to like family,
Yeah.
when stuff gets physical, we're pretty much, our hands are tied on what we can do. So like if we have any inkling that it actually happened, then we got to make an arrest on it.
Yeah, I don't even care. You know what? I used to be in the streets a long time. I did 35 years of crack cocaine.
Yeah.
And I gave it up 6 years ago.
Good for you.
And all I do is chill. I stay home. I don't do nothing no more. I used to play pro basketball.
Oh yeah?
You know who I am?
No.
I'm Bruce McKnight.
Okay, I've heard the name. Yeah. Okay, I've never met you
And
though. I don't think.
I messed up on drugs. So
Okay.
I messed up. I stayed out here. I went to Providence.
Yeah.
I was an All-American.
Good for you,
And,
man.
I messed up on drugs, man. I've been out here for 35 years.
Yeah.
And well, I'm so happy to be free.
Yeah.
I am the happiest person.
I don't know where better for me to
That's all right.
stand and where you're not looking at the
Yeah,
sun.
man, I'm so happy that God blessed me to be free of that shit, man. I was an All-American. I've been all over the world.
Yeah.
And had to come back and live on the streets, man. I had nowhere to go. And I finally made it out of that shit, man. I worked so hard. Terry Crenshaw,
Oh, yeah.
they know me.
Yep.
I helped raise them.
Okay.
But I was an All-American. His daddy was my best friend.
Oh, really?
He didn't go anywhere, but I did. But his daddy was the best ball player in this town. His daddy was.
And he didn't make it anywhere? He just unlucky,
He wouldn't
huh?
go to school.
Oh.
The best ball player in this whole town.
Terry was a hell of an athlete, too.
He got it from his daddy.
Terry's still really
He got
athletic.
it from his.
Yeah.
But his brother was my best friend.
Yeah, that's cool.
Me and him growing up together. But I made All-American, went to Providence, came home, got on drugs, man, gave up my whole life, man. I've been struggling for 35 years and never knew that God was waiting on me to get my life, to try.
Yeah.
And I tried, and I got it. I tried before, and I kept falling,
Yeah.
going back to it.
No one ever succeeds first try, man.
Yeah, I
no
did
one
it,
does.
But I did it.
Well, I'm happy for you. I'm glad you did.
It took me a long time. Oh, God damn, I don't never want no more crack.
Hey, man.
They kissed my ass with that crack shit.
Better late than never, right?
Smoke plenty of reefer, but I don't fucking want no crack no more. Hell no.
Yeah. Well, I mean, at this point, it's just a matter of time before weed's legal
Yeah, I ain't
altogether anyway, you know what I mean?
doing no crack no more. Never again. I learned a lesson. They say that you have to go through a program. You don't have to. Once you give up and say that you give up on that, it's over, man. It took me. I was a rich person, man. I was an All-American, man.
Yeah.
I lost everything. I became a bum. A bum.
Right.
You know, my parents, they gave up on me. Everybody just gave up on me, man. I lived a hell of a life, man. I made it back, though. It took me 35 years to get off that shit, man.
That's all that matters, man.
That's all that matters, don't it?
Yep.
35 years I was on crack. I did it. And, you know, started out selling and doing, having fun. And messed around and got hooked on that shit, and goddamn.
Yeah.
That's the worstest thing that ever could happen to me. I did 35 years out here on these streets, man. Out here on these streets, I had nowhere to live, no money, no nothing. I was an All-American. I went to Booker High School.
Yeah.
I was an All-American, man. We won the state championship, remember?
Yeah.
We won the state?
Well, I think that was before my time.
Where you from?
I'm from here, but
Well, we won the state championship in '78.
yeah, I wasn't alive yet, man.
You wasn't?
No.
How old are you?
I'm 35.
Oh, shit, I'm 64. You wasn't even alive.
No, not yet. I was born in '87.
Oh, okay.
So yeah.
You was born in '87. Yeah, I was an All-American, man. We went through some changes, man. That was a good baseball player.
That was my sport. That's what I played.
Yeah. His brother was a hell of a ball player. I like a bitch, man. Go through change. I don't want to go through nothing else in life. That's my friend.
Yeah, no worries.
Yeah,
Well, I'll leave you alone. I don't want your friend to think you're in trouble.
Yeah, okay.
All right. Good talking to you,
All right.
sir.
See you later.
Have a good one.
All right.
How are we looking over here, Mr. Clyburn? All good?
Read it back to you.
No, I'll read it. That's okay. All right. Do me a favor, sir. Sign where it says victim witness signature right there on that line for me. Now, let me ask you a couple questions. Has your brother ever used a weapon against you or threatened you with a weapon in the past? No. Okay. Has he ever threatened to kill you? No? Okay. Do you think he's capable of killing you? You do? Okay.
Like I told you, when you were 16, you shot heroin once, and when we were walking down the street, to tell you the truth, this cop passed by, and he was getting ready to bust this guy who was selling heroin, who was trafficking heroin, and my brother said to him, hey, CW, it was 5-0. As they drove by, the cop in the undercover car, he looked at my brother and he said, keep your mouth shut, kinky head nigga. When he said that, my brother came from under his shirt with a pistol and said, what did he say, cracker? Pow! He shot at him.
Okay. So that was when he was 16. I mean, has he like today, like how your brother is now? Like, do you think he's capable of being violent enough to kill you?
Yeah.
Okay. Alrighty. So a couple other questions. He, like I said, obviously you know he's going to jail. So when he gets released, do you want to be notified that he's being released?
It doesn't matter.
Prior to him being released?
You can, yeah.
Okay. And then also, do you want your information released to Spark? Are you familiar with Spark? Do you know what it is?
I've heard of it. I don't know exactly the function.
So, Spark, what it means is Safe Place and Rape Crisis Center, which throws a lot of people off that are in this situation. It's not just for like sexual batteries and stuff, it's for domestic, because this is still technically domestic violence, even though it's usually kind of viewed between like husband and wife, but because y'all are blood related, it's still domestic violence. So, if you want your information released to them, they'll call you and reach out to you and offer you services, see if you need any help or anything.
Okay. Yeah, sure.
Yeah? Okay. Alrighty. Well, I'm going to give you this. This is a
Sorry.
No, go ahead. Go ahead.
The reason I say yeah is because right now I'm homeless. I'm homeless.
Yeah. Well, when are you supposed to get into number 3 here?
In a couple of days.
In a couple days?
I just filled out the application, and she was emailing the application to Jewish Family and Children's Services.
Yep.
The VA gives them $5 million every 3 months to take care of homeless and
Sure.
homeless veterans and homeless and disabled veterans.
Yes, sir. Okay. All right. We'll do that then. We'll forward your information to them. Make sure they receive your information. They'll contact you. Just so you know, with domestic violence things, your brother's not going to be able to bond out today. So he'll have to go to first appearance in the morning and see a judge.
Okay.
Okay, so he's at least going to be in jail overnight, and then what happens from there, I can't tell you. Okay, the judge will probably set a bond, and then if he's able to get bonded out, he'll get bonded out. If he's not, then he'll stay there until he gets released.
Okay.
Alrighty?
I really wish once we get in the courtroom, I really get a judge to like get me to see a psychiatrist.
Yeah.
But the psychiatrist is going to see something's wrong with it.
Sure. So yeah, so make sure your phone number stays current, and that you know your phone stays good and everything, because state attorney's office is definitely going to be reaching out to you, and they're going to want you to come into their office, and they're going to interview you about what happened, and kind of like what we're doing here, but they're going to do their own kind of little investigation on their end. Make sure you tell them that stuff, because that may be something where the judge will look at it if there's evidence of that and say, maybe more of a mental health program is more of an appropriate step for your brother compared to just sitting in jail. You know what I mean?
No, I don't want him to just sit in jail. I want him to get some help.
Right.
Because he's in denial that he has either dementia or Alzheimer's. It's one of the two. My mom had dementia and Alzheimer's.
Sure.
She died of it. And you know what? My mama didn't call my name for years, man. And the day she died, she looked over at me. I was sitting on the side of her bed, and she was getting ready to take her last breath. And for years, she didn't call my name. And right at the moment she got ready to take her last breath, she looked at me and she said, her nickname is Butch. She named me Butch. She looked at me and she said, Butchie boy, my baby. And I'm telling you, 10 seconds later, she took her last breath. Shit. She didn't call my name for years. And right when she got ready to take that last breath, it was like she remembered. She called my name.
Well, at least you can say she was there with you for that last minute, and that's something that a lot of people don't get. So at least you can have some solace in that.
Yeah. Thank you, officer.
All righty, sir. You have a good rest of your day. Okay. Good luck to you.
All right. Thank you.
All righty. Includes my involvement. Here we go.